Good morning. Happy Saturday. Oh, I just got out of the shower and I'm just having my first cup of coffee. Oh my god, it's so good. So it looks like it's gonna be a nice day today, so I think we're gonna have a barbecue later on. Mike went out to go grab some burgers and buns, and I really feel like having burgers. The weather has been really nice lately. It's been actually pretty hot and a little humid. I'm not complaining, although it is a little bit hard to sleep at night just because we don't have AC. So we do have 2 fans going in our room, and it does help, but it's still pretty hot. And even like right now, that shower felt really nice, but I'm already I feel like I'm already starting to sweat. But yeah, no plans really today, just kind of chilling out, enjoying the weather. I don't think we're gonna do any packing today, but I took a couple days off next week to get a lot done, so hopefully I'm able to get a lot of stuff done next week. So yeah, I always say so yeah all the time, and I always say anyways all the time. I also say a lot, and I also smack my lips together all the time. Have you guys noticed that? Oh, I don't notice I do it until I'm editing the footage and I'm going over it. I'm like, wow, and I always have to like cut it out. And I always sneeze. Good morning. You finally wake up from your nap? Hmm? You've been sleeping all morning. Yes, you have. I got this little guy from Walmart. A couple of people have told me that they bring babies into your home, so I plan to put it in our new place in the kitchen, and you know, you never know, could bring us a baby or 2. I got this from Walmart. It was originally like $30 and it was on sale for 50% off, so yeah. Forget what his name is. Mike named him, but I forget what it is. Charlie? So it's almost noon. Mike's about to come home. I'm making some grilled cheese sandwiches for him. And the good thing about his work is that he works literally like 5 minutes down the street and he gets to come home for lunch. And I actually took a couple days off just to kind of chill, relax, pack, get this, you know, house packed up. I've done quite a bit. Actually, yesterday I got a lot done. Today I've started, but once he leaves, I'm gonna do a little bit more. I'm not too stressed out about like the big items, like the TVs, the couches, things like that. I'm more like, I don't know, I just feel like, oh my god, there's so much that needs to get done still, like just all the little things, you know what I mean? You get to start moving boxes in a week before, which I'm super thankful for, and I feel like that's going to take a lot of weight off our shoulders, just to be able to start moving in like boxes a week before. So our our friend is actually allowing us to do that, so I'm really thankful and grateful for that because that's a big help. So yeah, I guess I just feel overwhelmed about like all the little things, but I know it's gonna get done. I don't know, I did a lot today. I feel like we're on track, we're doing pretty good, and yeah, I need to stop like stressing out because I'm making it worse on myself. What else? Nacho is here with us because my parents are away. They're actually coming back tomorrow. So it's been nice having him here, but it's actually pretty tiring. He's actually on medication, so he has to take it twice a day. It has to be at a certain time, so you have to like wake him up in the morning, feed him, take him out, and then an hour later give him his medication. And it's been tiring because sometimes he doesn't go to bed at night, like he's just like he will not go to sleep, and then he wants on the bed. He gets up super early sometimes, or sometimes he sleeps in, which is good. And I was telling Mike, I'm like, this is probably what it's like to have a baby? And he's like, no babe, I don't think so. I think this is pretty easy. But I love Nacho very much, and I'm glad that he's here with us. He actually hasn't been doing too well. They found like that he has a heart murmur when he breathes, like it's almost like crackly sometimes when he breathes, and sometimes he's just coughing more than usual. And he also lost like his hearing, so he doesn't hear anymore, and he's losing his eyesight as well. So he's 13 years old and he's going to be 14 in November, so he's getting old. And yeah, it's sad. I don't even like to think about it because it makes me sad to think of him like not even being around. Even though he does sometimes keep me up at night, or he's just a little bit restless, or he gets up too early, or he's, you know, not as active or as playful as he used to be. I still appreciate having him, and I'm glad that we got to have him for these couple days, even though it's been a little bit of work. But yeah, I love him and he's a sweetie pie. He's sleeping right now actually. Okay, so I'm going to finish making lunch for Mike, and I will see you guys in a bit.
It's me.
All right, so these are the boxes I did today. Did quite a bit, so I'm happy about that. Are you happy? Yes. Hey guys, today is Wednesday. I just wanted to pop on here and show you guys this makeup look. I am loving it. Doesn't it look so nice? I'm not wearing any eyeshadow. I just put on concealer and powdered it. And these lashes are so beautiful. They are from AliExpress. I believe they are the A12. I'll link them down below in case you guys are interested, but I'm loving this. And the lip combo I really love too. I feel like it makes my lips look very pouty and big. So the lip liner is Cork by MAC, and then the liquid lipstick is Latte to Go by, I don't know. Hang on. Okay, the liquid lipstick is the Stay Matte by Rimmel. and it's a latte to go. This is always sold out, so I always stock up when I see it on the shelves. You can get it at Walmart. And I'm also not even wearing foundation, I'm just wearing concealer, and I think it looks pretty good. I'm really liking this look. This could be like my no makeup look. Let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial and I'll do it. All right, Nacho is actually going home today. Are you ready to see mommy today? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, I gotta go make some lunch. Bye. So I wanted to show you these boxes that Mike picked up at the liquor store, and at first I was like, what am I gonna do with this? And I actually love them, and I'm finding that they're coming in handy. So since they come from like the liquor store, I guess, like, you know, the bottles come in here, and so it comes with these separators. And what I've been doing is I've been putting like my body lotion in here, shampoos, cleaners, things like that. And then I thought this would be perfect too to put like my makeup palettes in. And since we're not moving for another like 2 weeks, I feel like I can still pack up most of my makeup, and if I do need to reach for a palette, I can just grab it and take it out. No big deal. And yeah, so like my palettes fit perfectly in here, and I like that a lot fits in these little compartments, and they just stay like standing up. So like the lotions and things like that, I don't have to like lay them down and worry about them leaking. They're sitting up nicely. And yeah, so I just thought if you guys are looking for a way to package up your makeup or cleaners, things like that, check out your liquor store and see if they have any boxes that you can use. And these definitely have come in handy. So thanks, babe, you're so smart. Sorry that I was wasn't so excited about these when I first saw them, but right now I'm going to pack up most of my makeup. I've already done a bunch already of my makeup. I put most of it away, but I still have a lot to do, as you can see. All the palettes fit in really nicely. I put my eyelashes in there. Pretty much everything that was in those drawers. And this box isn't going to go in the truck. It's going to go with me in the car, just because it's so like delicate and I don't want my stuff breaking, and I didn't like bubble wrap it or anything like that. And I did put my perfumes and my liquid lipsticks in sandwich bags, just, you know, just in case if anything does break or anything does leak. It's in a sandwich bag, so it'll be all good. I'm just keeping the makeup that I use pretty much every day. And I just kept a couple of eyelashes and like 3 palettes, a couple of eyeshadows. This one is empty. I'm gonna try to keep it empty. And then this one I gotta work on. I have a headache though. I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna have a coffee because I only had 1 today. I usually have 2 or 3. All right, I'm going to end this vlog here, I think, just because, I don't know, I wanna get this up. I hope you guys like my vlogs. I know sometimes they're random. Hopefully you guys are enjoying them though. I haven't done any videos or anything like that because I don't know, I'm just so focused on this move, and yeah. So I hope you guys don't mind. I'm gonna go make myself a coffee, and I will see you guys